everyone. Today we are going to be opening the bark box. So this is the December bark box that we will be opening. Are you guys all ready? Are you ready? Even Shadow's ready. Ready? All right, Maya. Let's see what's inside. So this month's theme is Season Sweetings. So this is actually the Christmas themed box. So we have a gingerbread man in here. You like that one, Shadow? Oh, and I like that one. There you go, Owie. And then we have this gumdrop toy. Check that out, that you can put treats in. And then we have this hard nylon candy cane toy. Here, Owen. You like those. And then lastly, we have this Christmas tree toy that you can put treats in the bottom. Want me to open that, Maya? Shadow, come here. Yeah, it's your favorite part. We're gonna open the treats. And then we have some chicken potato recipe treats. These ones are crunchy. You ready? Can you all sit? Can you sit, Owen? Can you sit? You're not sitting, Owen. Maya is. That's a good girl. There you go. Good boy, Owen. And Mr. Shadow. Let's see. What other treats do we got in here? We have some beef recipe jerky treats. You guys want to give these ones a try? Yeah? All right. We'll open them up. Owen. Maya, Shadow, good dogs. You guys like those ones? Let's see, what other ones do we got? We have another bag of beef jerky here. I know, we'll give them all a try. There you go, Maya. And Owen, you stealing an extra? Are you stealing an extra? All right. And Shadow. Good boy. Let's see, we have one more bag here. These ones are pork recipe. These are some soft baked pork rolls. Can I give them a try? Yeah. Maya. A few for Owen. Good boy. And, whoops. Shadow, you're standing in the box. Some for Shadow. Hang on, he's got one more left. You got two, so does he. Here, Shadow. Here you go, baby. Good dogs. Yeah, good dogs. Yeah. All right, now let's see what else is in here. We got some other fun snacks. And then we also have some jerky chews in there. So this one's beef recipe. We'll try that one after. And then these ones are a little different. This one's chicken recipe. Yeah, they're a little different than the normal ones, huh? Let's see. This one is salmon recipe. So we'll give that one to Maya because salmon's her favorite. And then this one here is another beef recipe chew. So then we also have a box of this month's add-ons. So we always add on a few toys for the dogs. So Maya is in the Tennis Ball of the Month Club. Owen is in the Secret Monster of the Month Club. And Shadow's in the Cocktail of the Month Club. And then this month, there was actually an added bonus toy that was it's also in here. And Maya is very, very impatient. So let's get started here. Hang on, you gotta take your head out. Yeah? Let's show them now. Let's show them. So Maya has this month's cocktail, which is like a little hot chocolate. And then this month's tennis balls stacked together and make a little snowman. These are Maya's favorites, so we'll open these up for her. There you go, Maya. Look it. Here's another one, Maya. You want one, Owen? There you go. Maya. And then we also have, this is the bonus toy this month. It is a squeaky peppermint candy, and it's also scented. So this was just a bonus for December. What do you think of that one? Get it, Owie. Get it, Owie. Get it, Owie. And then lastly, we have the secret monster. Let's see, what is he, Owie? So this is this month's monster. He looks like a little iceberg. Here, Owie. You want him? You want him? Here, okay. Get him. Good boy. And that is what was inside this month's Super Chewer Bark Box, as well as what this month's add-ons were. Good dogs. Yeah. Yeah. Did you like it, Shadow? Did you like it? You got your tennis balls, Maya? You just squeaking away? All right, so here's one last look at everything that came inside the Bark Box. So inside the Season Sweetings box, the dogs got the gumdrop toy that you can put the treats in. They got the Christmas tree toy that you can also put treats in. They got the nylon candy cane. And they got the gingerbread man, and he has a hard rubber ball inside of him. And then for add-ons, they got the stackable snowmen, squeaky tennis balls. Maya stole one. The cocktail of the month was the hot cocoa. This was the monster of the month. And this was their bonus toy. It's a squeaky peppermint. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the dogs unbox their Season Sweetings Super Chewers box. They definitely loved it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more dog content.